Hey everyone, this is Nick with Gold Coast Flooring, and today I'm doing some commercial carpet cleaning. Olefin carpet tiles are what I'm going to be cleaning in this community center, and as every carpet cleaner knows, Olefin loves oil. And guess what was mostly eaten in this room? Oily popcorn and corn syrup filled drinks. Alright, so I wanted to run through this real fast, but polypropylene is a little different from polyester, but it's pretty much the same thing. One thing I liked about this article by Cleaning Systems is they kind of break it down, and they say it right here that it has a poor resilience. Polypropylene fibers are considered very strong and very abrasion resistant, but they have some resiliency problems and tend to mat and crush in high traffic areas. And no matter how good you are at cleaning carpet, the crushing or matting is not restorable. And I've gone over that in many of my videos on polyester carpet. And then of course everybody knows that polyester loves oil. Polypropylene loves oil. That means it has a strong natural affinity for oil. It attracts oil, and the oily soils and spills can be very difficult to remove, and if you leave them for an extended time, they may cause discoloration. I read in another article that they can actually oxidize, and they become part of the fiber and are permanent. You'll never get it out. So but what I noticed in this article was it presented something very interesting when cleaning carpets. So nylon, it absorbs pretty easily. It absorbs color, it absorbs moisture. When you hit it with anything, it just sucks it. So, and wool, of course. So when you clean nylon or wool and you put your pre-spray down, it absorbs that pre-spray into the fiber, which is what you want. So you could, release all the dirt and whatever spills are in there and extract it. But when you do that on polypropylene carpet or polyester, that doesn't absorb anything. It's like plastic, so it kind of just slides down the fiber to the backing. And if you don't recover whatever you sprayed and it's just stuck in the backing, what does cleaner attract? It attracts soil. So that's why you see a lot of wicking. That's why because whatever's left in the carpet, it's left in the backing. If you don't clean it well enough, it wicks back up. And that's why you see a lot of commercial carpet, after it's clean, it looks great, and it wicks back up and looks bad, because the pre-spray doesn't absorb into polypropylene or polyester. It just goes down to the backing. So I thought that was pretty interesting and wanted to share it with you guys. So let's get back to the video. Alright, so today I'll be cleaning with Cobb's Power Max, and I'm going to be boosting with their heavy duty preconditioner. It's a solvent based booster to try and break up all that oil and grease. So here's a quick time lapse. Alright, so I am doing this big room in parts. I'm moving all the furniture back and forth. So this is the other area that got a lot of it. There's a lot of popcorn, oil, sugar drinks, everything spilled. So I gotta go extra heavy on this part and get it clean. Alright, and that's pretty much it. And as you can see, there's still going to be a little bit of discoloration, especially in the heavy traffic areas, but that's simply because carpet doesn't last forever, especially in a commercial setting. Different settings, different environments, that's what really determines how long the carpet's going to last. In this setting, there's a lot of spills, there's a lot of foot traffic, there's a lot of popcorn, so I did the best I could. I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.